If you've already got Jellyfin set up, plugins are one of the easiest ways to improve it. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 Jellyfin plugins I'd install on almost every server. We'll go through what each one does, how to install it, and then I'll show you what it actually looks like in Jellyfin, so you can decide which ones are worth using on your own server. First up is Intro Skipper. This plugin adds a skip intro button to your TV shows, and it's one of the nicest quality of life upgrades you can add to Jellyfin. To install it, click the 3 lines on the top left, the menu button, go down to Dashboard, go to Plugins. On the top right, click Manage Repositories, and let's add a new repository. Let's call this Intro Skipper, and paste the URL in the description below or that you see on the screen here. Once you're ready, click Add. Once that's in there, click the plugin section, and then just refresh the page. Once refreshed, click Available to see what's available, and you'll see Intro Skipper here. If you don't, you can search for it on the top right, and then once you're here, just click Intro Skipper. Once you're ready to install it, just click Install on the right hand side, and then Install again. Once you see the green Successfully Installed message on the top, you will need to restart Jellyfin. To do that, just click Dashboard, and then click Restart. After a few moments, once it's finished restarting, just go back to your plugin section and refresh the page. And once you've refreshed it, you'll see the Intro Skipper on the left hand side under Plugins. Now once this is installed, we'll need to open the plugin settings and run the intro detection scan on your TV library. But before that, let me just show you the Intro Skipper section on the bottom left. Ensure you have the top parts checked, which is automatically analyze new media. This way, every time you add new TV shows, it'll get analyzed straight away. To set this up initially, go to your scheduled tasks. So scroll down to the bottom for scheduled tasks. Once you've selected scheduled tasks, locate Intro Skipper, and then detect and analyze media segments. Just click the play to run this task. This does happen daily at 12 AM, but we're just going to trigger it now. So go back to scheduled task and detect and analyze media segments. Click play. What that is going to do is it's going to go through your TV shows and analyze for any skippable content. Now once that's done, if you play a show, let's just play this Mike and Molly. Now after that, when you start playing supported episodes, Jellyfin can detect the intro and give you a skip intro button during playback. And as you can see, it jumps right to the end of the intro. If you watch a lot of TV shows in Jellyfin, this just makes the whole experience feel much more polished. Next is playback reporting. This plugin tracks what's being watched on your server, who watched it, and when. To install it, head to your dashboard, go to Plugins, Available, and let's just search Playback. Once you have Playback reporting appear, just click that, then just click Install. Once this has been successfully installed, all you need to do is go back to your dashboard and restart Jellyfin. Once that's done, all you need to do is refresh the page. After you refresh the page, you'll see Playback reporting appear on the bottom left under the plugin section. If you select that folder, once installed, you'll get access to a reporting section that shows playback activity across the server. You can see users, playback, breakdown, usage, duration, and a lot of other details. This is for the past 4 weeks. You can see a lot of details here. So if you share Jellyfin with family or friends, or you just want better watch history, this is a really useful plugin to have. The third plugin is the movie database box sets. This one automatically groups related movies into collections, so franchises are neatly bundled together inside Jellyfin, instead of everything sitting on its own. To install it, go to your plugin catalog again, so go Dashboard, and go down to Plugins. And let's just search for the movie database, so TMDB. So we're going to install the TMDB box sets, so click that, then click Install. Once you're done, go back to your dashboard, and then click Restart. After that, you'll need to refresh the metadata or run a library scan so Jellyfin can start building those collections. So just click Scan All Libraries. Once that's done, if you go back, you'll see your collection folder here. So if you click that, you will see all the collections of all the movies. You'll still have this in the movie section. You'll still have all your movies individually, but you'll also now have a collections tab. And this one here would group everything up in its own collection. So for example, we have Alien. If you click into that, we'll have Alien, Aliens, Alien 3, and Resurrection. Same when we go to Avatar. Scroll down a bit and go to the Avatar collection. We'll have the first Avatar, Water and Fire. Now that's the benefit of collections. Once it's done, you'll start seeing movie series grouped together in a much cleaner way. If you've got a decent movie library, this is a really nice upgrade for browsing. Next is fan art. This plugin helps Jellyfin pull in better backgrounds, logos, and other artwork for your movies and TV shows. To install it, search for fan art. So go back to your dashboard, plugins, and search for fan art. Select fan art, click install. So once installed, you will need to restart Jellyfin again. So go back to dashboard and click restart. Then restart again. Once you've installed fan art, don't forget to go back to your libraries tab. Click the three dots on each of your libraries that you do have. Click manage library, scroll down, and then on the metadata downloaders, so the image fetches, click fan art. This is for the seasons and for the TV shows, then click OK. Don't forget to do this for your movies as well. Go to manage, scroll down, and ensure we select fan art. Then click OK. You may need to scan all libraries again if you want to grab the new artwork. Once it's working, you start seeing better visuals across your library pages, and it can make Jellyfin look a lot more polished. It doesn't change how Jellyfin works, but it definitely improves how it feels to browse. And the last one is artwork. This is another plugin focused on improving the visual side of your Jellyfin library by pulling in extra artwork for your media. Install it the same way, through the dashboard, then plugins. Click available and search for artwork. Select artwork and then click install. Go back to your dashboard and then click restart Jellyfin. Then restart again. After you've restarted Jellyfin, you need to refresh your metadata on your libraries or selected titles. Once it's set up, it works alongside your other metadata and artwork sources to help make your library look more complete. On its own, it's not the flashiest plugin, but combined with things like fan art, it helps give Jellyfin a much cleaner and more polished look. So those are the 5 Jellyfin plugins I'd install on almost every server. Intro skipper, playback reporting, TMDB box sets, fan art, and artwork. If I had to pick just one to start with, it would probably be Intro Skipper, just because it's one of those plugins you notice straight away the first time you use it. But if you want Jellyfin to feel more polished overall, all 5 of these are worth a look. If you found this helpful, make sure you're subscribed for more of Jellyfin and self-hosting tutorials, and let me know in the comments which Jellyfin plugin I should cover next. This is Systems from Scratch. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.